All right, going to be taking a look at INCC, currently traded at 001. We are going to go ahead and give the shout out to Jobham over here on investorshangout.com/live. He actually brought this to us at 008 rather, 0008. If not a little bit sooner there. Actually, it was 007 by 8. And then that 8 was on the move. So remember that, I mean, this was down here at the 8. He started spotting this one coming off that bottom. Hasn't made any moves since March 31st, essentially holding itself between that 5 and 7 all the way up until today. Boom, that volume came in. 43 million shares traded so far today. To kind of give you an idea, the average volume right here has been 5 million shares for the last 20 days. And we're watching this again in real time right now. Market real time, 0009. You guys tapping on that resistance of 001. I am going to watch this one. My personal opinion is that this swing is setting up here for a nice move. Again, coming off that 0005 that we see here going across the bottom. But I got to give the credit to Jobham for popping this one up and bringing it to our attention. So with that being said, we are going to watch this one continuously. I mean, right now you guys are at the beginning of a possible move here. Is it going to run? You know, it all depends on that volume. We've seen volume come in here heavy like this and just drop off the next day, but I do like on how it's still building. I mean, we've seen this thing starting to fluctuate here in live time. Again, if we come over here to Investors Hangout and we type in here INCC right here to the left box, and then you click on time and sales, that's going to bring you up to the time and sales. So we're able to see so far today we've had looks to be about 7 trades so far. 28%, 7 trades in 4 million or 43 million. Quite a bit of trades. It looks as if that this might be a little off right now. So we will continue to watch it. The volume is really starting to pick up right now in live time in this one. So watch this INCC resistance levels. We won't forget, we do have that resistance level at 001 and 0012, support level at 0008 and 0006. Very close. A break of 001. I am going to put this one on technical analysis alert.
All right, so with these guys right here, I'm seeing today they released a shareholder update over on OTC Markets Disclosure, OTC Disclosure News Service. I clicked on that and it states shareholder update. Chill lifted 2016 annual report filed March 31st, 2017, and attorney letter filed as well. So old business, due to the chill being lifted, INCC decided to purchase the St. James brand. International Consolidated Companies Incorporated, INCC, has acquired the St. James Remedies brand. INCC is seeking up to $100 million in equity to secure financing commitments up to $200 million. So we are excited to position ourselves as the first public marijuana real estate holding company while helping to overcome the barriers for the sale of legal marijuana products, said INCC CEO Antonio Ucello. We have identified 30 million worth of properties in this initial phase. We intend to raise up to 100 million in equity, with which our lender would support a mortgage portfolio of 200 million for the total of 300 million in acquisitions. So it says Avery Yosevich is the Chief Real Estate Officer Director. So Mr. Yoskowitz brings a wealth of education, a bachelor's and a PhD from MIT, and a 2-year fellow at Harvard MIT Joint Center for Urban Studies. And he has experience, talent, drive, and focus to the company over his long and distinguished career. Mr. Yokovitz has excelled as a real estate developer and broker, investor, builder, mortgage underwriter, planner, and sales associate. His professional work history has included senior level positions at Citizens Housing and Planning Council of New York, Phipps House, Brist Realty Company of Boston, and the New York Housing Development Corporation. So he obviously has a lot of experience within that. So there's a comment from the CEO. It said, "We are excited to position ourselves as the first." Now it's just a recap of what it was already there. All right, let's see. It states that International Consolidated Companies, INCC, was founded in 2002. INCC is focused on acquiring and growing business that offer innovation, quality, and cost-efficient cannabis technologies. So that's that. And I mean, right over here, they stated that their shareholder, the 2016 annual report was filed for the March 31st, 2017 was also filed. So that's all there for within the filings. So I'm obviously not going to pull it up and go through it all right now because of the time restraints, but it's there for you guys to read. We're not seeing it over on Investors Hangout right now, so you'd have to go to OTC Markets to pull that up. So that's that. And if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have used on the site daily by posting right over there on that INCC board.
All right, and that's what we're looking at right here. Again, with the time and sales. The time and sales is what I was pulling up here a few minutes ago with the volume. You guys could see that a big buy right there at where is this at? Right here. No, that was I'm sorry, I looked at that wrong again. But 1 million, just just shy of 1.5 million shares being bought. Bringing you guys through that 0007 that was back obviously a little bit ago, but it's moving right now. 0008 again, that's where we started watching it. Resistance at 0010 and 0012, support at 0008, 0006, and break of 0010. This will go on technical analysis alert. Setting up here, I'm going to put Jobum's name in here for the credit. That is for sure. INCC. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and stock message boards and stock forums. Like we always say, the more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. So it's up to you if you want us to keep covering this one. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.